As the title says, I cut my whole car, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did it and got very good results. Before, after, and I achieved that result on my whole car for under £100, including buying the DA, buying the sandpaper and buying the T-cut. Now let's crack on and bring this boot back to life. First, I make sure the surface is relatively clean. Then you want to get some soapy water in a spray bottle and some 3000 grit sandpaper, or maybe 3500 grit sandpaper, depending on how confident you are with the sandpaper. Just want to spray the panel and spray sandpaper. I want to keep sandpaper or wet sanding in one direction. If you're doing this on your new paint, I'd suggest buying a paint gauge. But like I said in previous videos, this car's being painted the end of year anyway, and this is just so I can attend BMW show in a nice looking car. Every so often wipe the panel back to see what I'm doing. Like I'm saying, this is just how I have done it. Experts will say differently, people who have never done this before will say differently, but this is just purely how I have done this job. As you can see now, the shine has gone off the panel, and this is what we want. We don't really want to do more wet sand on this panel now because it's removed the oxidisation, and that's all we needed to do. We're not really correcting deep scratches or marks, we're just trying to get the oxidation off the panel so it'll shine up well for BMW show. I've repositioned the camera now so you can get a better view of what's going on. So as we can see now, the boot lid is flat. Like we can say, if you're doing this on new paintwork, you use a block. Like I said earlier, I'm just doing this so it looks nice at BMW show, because the car we normally take is out of use at the minute, and I thought I'd share how I got results from products that you can find which will all come out affected. So what we're going to need now is an orange raw and an Challenge Extreme rotary buffer from Argos, and T-cut, yes T-cut, that will T-cut out, just needs a bit of T-cut, T-cut, T-cut. You want to add the T-cut to the orange pad and start buffing. Probably maybe a bit too much, but it works for me, it'll probably work for you. So now I'm going to start spreading content. Remember, up, down, across, so you overlap, so it's up and across. Always finish and turn off the machine on the panel so there's no splatter. Always dab the compounder on the panel so there's no splatter. It may need a few passes. On average, it took me 1.5 passes to the old car on each panel. This is the first time we've wiped off, and this is the first pass, so let's see what happens. As you can see, the light is starting to come back in the paint already just after one pass. So now I'm going to crack on with the whole bonnet and put you on time lapse, and we'll see this bonnet transform. This result in gain after 4 passes. As you can see, it's quite shiny. If you look close, there's few imperfections from just the paint. I didn't wet sand it fully. And this is what you can achieve with a raw compound in pad, a DA from Argos, and some £6 cutting compound, and 25p sandpaper, and an afternoon's work. If you were selling an old car and you want to revive the paintwork, I think this would be a great way to revive the paintwork and even make yourself some more money from the car by doing this. And this is pretty much a finished article. If we remember back before, this was hazy, but now shown to it, had no mirror finish to it. And now it looks rather fetching, and this is a bit we haven't done. That's what we have done. So that's all for me today. Remember, this is a cheap wet sanding option to correct your paint. It cost me less than £100 to the whole car, and that's value for money, and you're getting results like that. So I upload BMW 34 contents weekly, along with general car related viewers and my live stuff. So if that might be of interest to you, please like, subscribe and comment. But until next time, bye bye.